Do you know there are some businesses you can do here in Ghana, in Nigeria, in Africa at large without even investing a dime? Do you want to start a business but you don't know where to get a capital from? Today I'm here to show you 3 businesses that you can start without investing any money. That you can start today and do it without investing any money, gather capital and start whatsoever business you want to start. Here is Deglon Tech. Welcome once again to Deglon Tech. Here what we do is that we teach people how to make money, any online and offline. And if there's any strategy people are talking about, what we do is we come here and discuss it or review it and see whether truly those strategies are worth your time or not, whether they are legit or a scam. So just stay glued to your chair and watch this particular video to the end, and I believe you'll be able to raise some money from this particular strategy and start any business of your choice. Somebody will be asking, what is the first strategy, or what are the businesses? How can I start a business without money? Yes, the first business you can start without money is drop shipping. We are not talking, we know you've heard drop shipping. We are not talking about drop shipping internationally. We are talking about drop shipping locally. Somebody will be asking, how could that be done? Look around your area, look around your locality. There are so many shops that are selling so many things. There are people that are selling gadgets. There are people that are selling electronics. There are people, even your market, in the market, there are people selling things. You can just pick those things. Go speak to the shop owners. Go speak to the product owners. Tell them you want to sell some of their products. And all you need to do is just to advert those products. You just advertise them either on Facebook, either on Instagram, on Gigi, and whatsoever e-commerce platform. After advertising those particular products, when the order comes, all you need to do, there are some of them, they do it pay before delivery. So what you do is when the money is given to you, because let's say the person is selling the product at 100 cities and you will go and advertise it at 150 or 120 as whatever percentage you want to put on it. When the 150 or 120 is paid to you, you pick the 100 cities, go take the product from the product owner and then send it to the person. That is the first one. Some are also done in a way that when the order comes through you, you go to the shop owner, then you go place the order. When the product is delivered to the customer, then your percentage is given to you by the shop owner. That is, you tell the shop owner how much you are selling that product to the customer. So they do the delivery and then they give you your commission. And I'm telling you, we did that. I tried that. It's something I try. It's something I do myself. So you can also do that, raise money and start your own business. Somebody will say, what is the second business? The second business is drop servicing. Drop service. Again, aside product, there are people, there are masons, there are plumbers, there are electricians, there are people that are around you, phone repairers, there are people that are around you that are doing also rendering all sorts of services. So again, you can advertise those services online. You can do word of mouth, talk to people about it. I do biogas construction, biofuel construction, and I have people that do the marketing for me, and they get percentage on the marketing that they do per the customers that they bring on board. So when you should go and advertise those services, you get customers, bring the customers over, discuss the percentage with the service provider, and then boom, you can still make a profit from that. And again, the last product or the last business you can still do without investing any money is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, now there are so many platforms here in Ghana that do affiliate marketing, and you can go online and then type affiliate marketing in Ghana. You can get a lot of products. Almost every platform, every shop, a lot of platforms are now doing affiliate marketing. You can still go online, get those platforms, go to the shops around you, get those platforms. There are people that are looking for marketers. You don't need money to be a marketer. There are businesses that are looking for marketers. There are printing press around you, media houses around you that do this affiliate marketing. All you need to do, just go talk to people, do advert, talk to people about the service, and anytime they come to the media house, especially the media house, because I also work at the media house, so I can talk about that very well. So when you go to the media house, they can tell you an hour and then how much they take for it. You go look for the potential customer, bring them on board, and then you can get a commission for it. So today, you know that you can do drop shipping locally, you can do drop servicing locally, you can do affiliate marketing locally and raise money and start your business. So you can just get up. Don't sit down and say you don't have money. Get up, take a step today, raise some fund, raise some capital, and start some business for yourself. Here is Deglon Tech, and all we do is to teach a strategy on how to make money online. If today is the first time you've come across our video, just give us a thumbs up. If you see you've seen value in this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Till we meet again in the next video, take action and start raising money for yourself. Bye-bye.